In this session, we will learn about the aestivation. So let us start. What is aestivation? Aestivation is the manner in which the sepals or the petals are arranged in the thalamus or the receptacle. So if we talk about the standard definition, we can say that the mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in a floral bud with respect to the members of the same whorl is called aestivation. So how the sepals or petals are arranged in a floral bud or in a flower with respect to the members of the same whorl, like with respect to the other appendages, that is called aestivation. Or in a simple manner, we can also say that, in simple words we can say that how the sepals or petals are arranged over the thalamus or the receptacle, that is called as aestivation. So in aestivation, if we talk about its types, then there are 4 types: valvate, twisted, imbricate, and vexillary. So let us look at each of these aestivations with the help of diagrams and examples. So what is a valvate aestivation? In valvate aestivation, the sepals or petals, they are arranged in such a way that the margins of these sepals or petals, they just touch each other, but they do not overlap. So the sepals or the petals are arranged in the flower over the thalamus in such a way that their margins, they can touch each other, but they do not overlap with each other. Such type of arrangement is called valvate aestivation. Alright, so the examples of the flowers showing valvate aestivation are: one such plant is calotropis, and besides that, the members of the family Solanaceae and Liliaceae also show valvate aestivation. Now let us look at the twisted aestivation. What happens in the twisted aestivation is that the sepals or petals are arranged in such a way that one petal or sepal overlaps the other, but in a same direction, in a regular way, like this. In twisted aestivation, the sepals or the petals, they overlap each other. They are arranged in such a way that they overlap each other in one direction or in a same way. Such kind of arrangement is called twisted aestivation. The example of this is, important examples are China rose, lady's finger, and cotton. Alright, so let us move on to the imbricate aestivation. Imbricate is just like twisted, but the overlapping is not in the same direction. The overlap can happen in any direction, in a very random way. So the sepals or petals, they can overlap each other in any way possible. There is no order in the fashion in which they overlap each other. In twisted, we studied that the overlapping is there, but only in one direction or in a similar manner. But in imbricate, the overlapping of the sepals or petals are not in the similar fashion but in a random manner, and such arrangement is called imbricate aestivation. Alright, so the examples are gulmohar and cassia. Flowers of gulmohar and cassia show imbricate aestivation. Now let us come to the last one, which is the vexillary. It is a special kind of aestivation in which there are 5 petals. Let us understand it in a new page because it's a special type. So vexillary aestivation, usually seen in flowers having 5 petals. Among these 5 petals, there is a one large petal at the top, which is called standard or vexillum. Then below this large petal there are 2 lateral petals which are a bit smaller than the standard, and these are called wings. Now beneath these 2 wings there will be 2 lateral petals. These will be the smallest petals and these are called keel. Alright, so this type of arrangement is called vexillary aestivation. So there will be usually 5 petals, among which the topmost one would be the largest petal, that's called standard or vexillum. Beneath that we will have 2 lateral petals which are called wings, and they will overlap 2 smallest petals known as keels. Alright, I hope with the help of diagram is clear to you. Such kind of aestivation is called vexillary aestivation, or there's one more term, papilionaceous. Papilionaceous aestivation. Examples are pea and bean. These are the plants whose flowers show vexillary aestivation. Also, most of the members of the family Leguminosae. Alright, so this was about the aestivation and the types of aestivation found in flowers. That's all for this session. Thank you so much.